Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, and I'm here to talk about PVC pipe and how it doesn't belong in yard drains. We have 4 of the High Octane. It's got inlet, like monster inlets, and they're 360 degrees. They're all the way around the pipe. So then we have this piece of PVC Schedule 40. Now it's got 2 holes on the bottom. Now we got 4 pipes in here doing more, creating more void, moving more water than stone itself. This is why PVC sucks. Look at that thing. It'll do you no good. Where's the inlets? On the bottom. So you have to put this at the bottom of the trench. Unlike the High Octane, where you can set it right on the fabric, this has to have 3 to 4 inches of stone under it, which means you got 3 to 4 inches of water left in your trench. That's no good. Why? Because trees can sniff that out. Trees can sniff that out, and your yard drain is going to get compromised. It's going to work a little less each year until one day it doesn't work at all. And you're going to say, man, I worked really hard putting my system in, and I just don't get it. Well, when we start getting hung up on a crush rating, how does the crush rating of a pipe make a better yard drain? It doesn't. That's why we use this thing for a sleeve only. We don't use this in yard drains. Once in a while, if we got to sleeve something, yeah, I'll get some 6 or 8 inch and I'll run our 4 to 6 inch corrugated pipe through it. It doesn't bend, so it don't make turns. I mean, I can go on and on and on. And as far as crush ratings are concerned, well, you know, I'm a pretty big guy. I mean, 230 club anyways. No deflection. There's 4 pipes in here, and well, I can even concentrate and put all 230 on one leg. I'm telling you, this stuff don't deflect. This pipe is incredible. It's incredibly strong. Baughman Tile wasn't fooling around. They knew when they made the 8 slot that it better be some heavy wall pipe. That's why it's the heaviest single wall corrugated pipe in the world. It's the strongest pipe and it's the most inlet. And this here, with its incredible crush rating, so that you can drive, I don't know, semis through your backyard repeatedly, over and over and over, it's a joke. So you put one of these on the bottom with 3-4 inches of stone underneath it. Now your system has water in it. Now the trees sniffed it out. Now you just built a system that has maintenance. You got to run through this thing. So everyone says, hey, you want to build it out of PVC because that way you can clean it out. Well, guess what? We build them right. They don't hold water, so the trees don't overtake them, and they don't need to be cleaned out. And as far as the guys that are saying, hey, I got no slope, right here's your system. Why is that? Because you can wrap our system and it can be level, and as long as you've got an outlet at the end of that line, and then put 4 pipes in, you're going to move more water than stone. Far too often I see homeowners with 1 coil of pipe. No, you need to fill your trench. This will do more than stone. All the water is going to run right through these top pipes, into the bottom pipes, and right into that storm drain. All right, guys, until the next video,